What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I achieve these passion twists from the company Bobbi Boss. So I did do the rubber band method at the top. As you can see, I did 8 across, and yeah, I did some hood braids in the back. Yes. So I did use their Boho passion twist, and the inch is 24. And this is what the hair looks like in the packet. It does come 30 in each pack.
Coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up.
And if you guys see white residue on my hair is not dirty at all. It is the edge control that I use.
That I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone, and don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body, too late on sorries. Bet you never thought that I would leave. About enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Wait up. Wait up. Why you texting, you still wanna lay up? Nope, no thanks. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby.
Okay guys, this is the finished product of this hair and I am definitely feeling it. It is super lightweight. This hair is freaking amazing. It's no tangles whatsoever on this hair. The hair was, I think it was like $19 a pack that I purchased from my local beauty supply store, and it was $60 in all that came in a pack, and I only had 5 left. This is definitely my vacation hair, and yeah, I'm so happy about it. So y'all, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high